This is a love reading for you, Cancer, for August to September. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the reading for you and your love interest. Maybe it is your spouse, it is your ex, it could be your somebody you have a crush on. So, this is a general reading, and everything will not resonate as it is with all Cancer. Also, if you would like more specific guidance or some reading that is talking directly to you, then you should ask me for a private reading. You could send me a mail and request for a private reading. I will do the reading and mail it to you. Also, please, you should take out time to go through my newsletter. I put in a lot of effort to create the very first edition of my newsletter in the August. So let us see how's the guidance. Who are you in the relationship, Cancer? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And what is the guidance for the love reading? So let us see. You have to be very careful, Cancer, about how much you give to people, whether it is emotionally or mentally or even financially. If you're helping someone out, I'm seeing a certain abuse that you're going through. Maybe somebody is just playing a emotional game with you. Maybe it is just someone playing very needy with you and is abusing your kindness. So you have to be very, very careful. And it may not necessarily be in this relationship, but it could be your partner as well. I won't rule out your partner, but it may necessarily not be your partner also. But somehow I'm seeing a certain abuse which you are going through, and that abuse is, somebody is just playing very needy and going on asking, 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 and it's almost like you don't receive as much back, or you're forever tending to or caring for someone's emotional needs or financial needs, or just by being there in presence. So you should be watching against the energy of abuse. Your partner, is very crafty. I'm not saying a bad person, but he or she does not think like you. Your partner is financially very well to do, but will not show or tell. So, some of you may also feel that while your partner does ask you a lot, he or she doesn't give you as much. Also, if you see, this person is not wearing any clothes, and here is a person who's in the energy of a king but in the reverse. So, it's telling me your partner may be well to do but doesn't give you as much, or hides a lot of things financially, how their situation is. Please note that this is a general reading, so you don't have to take this reading very literally and start fighting with your partner over something. If you would like a direct reading talking to you, you should take a personal reading from me. So this is a collective energy of a lot of Cancer that I'm seeing here, that you don't speak up and your kindness gets abused while your partner keeps a lot of things hidden from you. Also, I'm seeing that your partner may be someone very well to do and is not as giving straightforward as a person should be. Also, he or she has come up the life the big way or through a lot of struggle, and that is why he or she doesn't like to give away so easily as you do. So there may be a lot of difference in your personality, but definitely there is a lot of love. And you see, your partner is looking at you and you are also looking at your partner, so there's definitely a lot of love and attraction. And then there are things that needs to be sorted out, and how the certain equation is, you maybe need to work on this equation also with your partner. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You don't speak up, Cancer. Whenever there is a fight or something, I'm saying you are someone who plays ceasefire, doesn't want to say anything, doesn't want to pick up a fight, and a lot of times you just choose to go with silence than to speak up, or just to show how you are right. So you are someone who doesn't like to fight at all, and you just keep quiet. And your partner, on the other hand, can be somebody very extracting, very very micromanaging, and just somebody who likes to be on top of everything. Your partner maybe is also partner or spouse, or whoever this person is you are with. This person likes to be micromanaging everything, almost to the point that you may be feeling a little bit suffocated. Cancer, you should speak up. You have this habit of not speaking up, not telling how much you are getting affected, or how much you are now tired of doing into something, into the relationship. Because I'm seeing, one, your partner is not completely revealing their situation, and he or she can be very very exacting. It's quite possible your partner wants you to do as much or give in as much into the relationship, despite your situation not being so good. So lot of difference between the two of you. I don't know how you may have met this partner, but he or she, if you see, these are two kings in the reverse. And in the reverse, always the king is very crafty, very street smart, and doesn't reveal situation or tell the truth of how things are. These are also people who can play a lot of mind games. So you should be careful of, maybe it's possible some of you have just recently met this person, and you don't fully know this person well, and you're going your way to please this person or impress upon this person. Don't kill yourself in this journey to want to impress this person, or to try to win them over. If it is looking too difficult as a relationship, or too time consuming, you just want to maybe take a step back, think whether it is for you or not. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's a spendthrift, that your partner doesn't save money, and he or she doesn't care about retirement, and may not have that many investments, or so much savings. You also feel that whatever your partner is earning, he or she is spending way lot and doesn't have as much. But when I see these cards, it's telling me your partner has way more money, has is way better to do than so whatever they are spending is just portion of all the wealth your partner has, which you are not aware of, or your partner has not let you in. So you do see your partner as someone who spends all the money, and doesn't save for tomorrow, or doesn't save for the future. But this may not be the correct impression, Cancer. Your partner sees you as someone who's working hard, has a lot of work, which needs to be paid off, and you're waiting for a good payday. So your partner sees you as someone who's at work, and who truly cares for money and is working for it. So he or she doesn't see you as lazy. Your partner sees you as someone who is at work and will bring home the money, or is looking after herself or himself. So your partner has a fairly good impression about you, and he or she thinks you as a very regular person who's at work, and then has a life or living to make. Now I'm not necessarily seeing very romantic cards here, so it's possible some of you are dating, and then love has gone out of the window long time back. It's quite possible you both have settled into a lot of comfort zone. How's the future looking for the two of you, or what is your hope or worry about the future together? Your partner sees you as someone with whom he or she will like to raise a family. So maybe problem is with you, Cancer, when you don't speak up. Your partner doesn't know how much they may be doing a certain part more, and only if you correct them, maybe your partner can make their energy little bit more gentle. So you could be starting to draw some boundaries, speak up, and then correct this partner's energy of overtly exacting, and then maybe the relationship becomes more balanced. because I'm seeing your partner is very, very positive about the future with you. He or she totally sees children with you, sees a family with you, and will in all likelihood propose a marriage to you. It's a very beautiful guidance that I'm seeing here, and doesn't look like your partner has a bad bone in them. It's just that he or she may be not changing or have become like this because you keep tolerating everything. You should speak up, Cancer. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? You feel that your partner may be having some more interest love wise with some other people, or maybe is also dating or has a crush on somebody else. So I don't know, where do you get this fear from or insecurity from? You should speak up, Cancer, and then the energy will clear up. There is lot of things going on inside your head, or just how you are feeling without really speaking up and clearing things up with your partner. Now, some of you feel in the future your partner could cheat on you. This is like you're forever in that fear and insecurity, and there is no such energy that I'm seeing here with your partner. So you should feel way better with this partner and good and secure with this partner. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past you've been hurt, Cancer, and it looks like someone just left you with lot of wounds to fill up or to care for. So maybe because of that you don't like to fight, and you are just happy to be with someone, but you need to find your voice back and then start to correct the equation little bit. Your partner is coming from a very beautiful energy of having provided for. He or she may be coming from a very good and a rich background. Your partner may be somebody who comes from a very well to do family, or is coming from a very good college or institute also. I'm just seeing somebody who's coming from absolute riches and luxury and continues to live that life. So he or she is very well to do. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? This is a very nice guidance. One, I'm seeing that there is everything in this relationship. There is a lot of success, lot of love, and lot of travel also, and ability to work and make this relationship work. It's a very rewarding relationship, and just that something, certain things that need to be corrected from your side, Cancer. Otherwise, I'm seeing overall the relationship is very, very nice and very rewarding. The two of you will settle down to a life of riches and luxury, should it work out, or otherwise, whichever way the two of you see the life, it's going to be very life full of comforts and luxury. So very beautiful guidance here, Cancer, for you and your love interest.